Did you know that at the exact moment Jesus died, something incredible happened in the temple that changed everything forever? For over 1,000 years, a massive curtain hung in God's temple. This wasn't just any curtain. It was 60 feet tall and as thick as a man's hand. It separated the most holy place from everyone else. Only one person could go behind it, the high priest, and only once a year. This curtain protected the place where God's presence lived. Regular people couldn't enter. They needed someone to speak to God for them. But when Jesus breathed his last breath on the cross, something miraculous happened. That enormous curtain tore in two from top to bottom, not from human hands, but by God's own power. The earthquake shook Jerusalem. Darkness covered the land. But this torn curtain whispered the most beautiful truth of all. The barrier was gone. No more separation between God and people. No more waiting. No more intermediaries needed. Through Jesus' sacrifice, the door to God's presence swung wide open for everyone, forever. Take a moment to sit in the wonder of this gift.